Okay, I'm on Selena Station, Building 5. I'm going to do a pretty long video here showing some things. So, the first thing, this wall here, he said gets stucco and it's not done. He said add 2 inches. So that's what I'm doing on this wall. I'm adding 2 inches to my coping. Here, he said this is done. So I got my coping measurement. And we've got, even here, it's 12.5 inches. Down to 12, half inch off. That's of the best around here. All these, the brick guy came up and told me it's getting a third brick here, and I need to measure 1 inch smaller than this measures. Anything that doesn't have the third tan brick, I need to measure 1 inch less than what that measurement is. So it'll look like what they're doing right here. These 3 bricks. I guess they forgot to put this one on the rest of them. Here's another one, 3 bricks. So this top one is supposed to be 1 inch less than the one that I'm having to measure. So these first few are pretty straight, comes down. So I measured 1 inch less here. This wall is 14.25 in this end. Come down to this end. We've got 12.75. So 1.5 inches off. Doesn't look too crooked. It's just yeah, it's crooked. So it's gonna be a booger. Here we got these big corners. So this whole thing gets a third brick. Had to measure 1 inch less for everything. Same here. Here's another one. Another one here. Right here, he said these walls are finished as well. So I went ahead and ordered the actual width. This is 1 inch less. It's pretty straight. And that one's 13.25. Down to this end, 12.75. So it's nothing straight, really. Here we got this one brick jutted out, so I had to measure to cover this, but it's 1 inch less. We got this, they said it's done. Big corner. Come over here to the arch. I'm gonna do a second video now, so this one ain't too long.